Automobili Lamborghini launches its third model, the Lamborghini Urus, the first supersport utility vehicle, and creates a new niche in the luxury segment with benchmarking power, performance and driving dynamics, unparalleled design, luxury and daily usability. The Lamborghini Urus is a visionary approach based on the infusion of Lamborghini DNA into the most versatile vehicle, the SUV. The Urus elevates the SUV to a level not previously possible, the super SUV. It is a true Lamborghini in terms of design, performance, driving dynamics and emotion, as well as drivable every day in a range of environments, says Stefano Domenicali, Automobili Lamborghini chairman and chief executive officer. The Urus fits perfectly within the Lamborghini family as a high-performance car. It is the culmination of intensive development and passionate skill to create a new breed of bull, a super SUV that transcends the boundaries of expectations and opens the door to new possibilities, for both our brand and our customers. The Lamborghini Urus features a 4.0-liter V8 twin-turbo engine delivering 650 horsepower, 478 kilowatts, at 6,000 revolutions per minute, maximum 6,800 revolutions per minute, and 850 Nm of maximum torque already at 2,250 revolutions per minute. With 162.7 horsepower/L, the Urus claims one of the highest specific power outputs in its class and the best weight-to-power ratio at 3.38 kg/HP. The Lamborghini Urus accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in 3.6 seconds, 0 to 200 km/h in 12.8 seconds, and with a top speed of 305 km/h it is the fastest SUV available. Urus, a multifaceted personality. The Lamborghini Urus is as much a luxury SUV as the most powerful, with a super sports car dynamism to be enjoyed by both driver and passengers. Its slow-line coupe styling and commanding road position belie the very comfortable ride, higher ground clearance, and luxurious space within, together with the latest technologies. The Urus provides easy driving in the city, maximum comfort during long journeys, thrilling super sports car dynamics on the road and track, and versatile off-road abilities in a range of environments. The Lamborghini Urus has a dual personality. It is multi-dimensional. It can be specified to be as sporty or as elegant as the owner wishes, and can equally be used as a daily luxury drive or provide an exhilarating super sports experience. Name. As has long been the tradition at Lamborghini, the name Urus is derived from the world of bulls. The Urus, also known as Aurochs, is one of the large, wild ancestors of domestic cattle. The Spanish fighting bull, as bred for the past 500 years, is still very close to the Urus in its appearance. Engine. The Lamborghini Urus sports a new front-mounted, 4.0-liter petrol V8 twin-turbo aluminum engine. The choice of a turbo engine, the first in a Lamborghini, reflects the desired usage range of the Urus. Especially in off-road conditions, a high level of torque at low revs is necessary and can be guaranteed only by such an engine, providing optimal engine responsiveness and efficiency. Delivering 650 horsepower, 478 kilowatts, at 6,000 revolutions per minute, maximum 6,800 revolutions per minute, and a maximum torque of 850 Nm at 2,250 to 4,500 revolutions per minute. The Urus has a specific power of 162.7 horsepower/L. With a curb weight lower than 2,200 kilograms, the Urus is the SUV with the best weight-to-power ratio at 3.38 kg/HP. The Urus accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in 3.6 seconds, 0 to 200 km/h in 12.8 seconds, and reaches a top speed of 305 km/h. Braking is no less impressive. The Urus decelerates from 100 km/h to 0 in 33.7 meters. The compact engine optimizes the car's center of gravity through its low-mounted position. With a central turbocharger layout close to the combustion chambers, optimum engine responsiveness is assured. The twin-scroll turbochargers run in parallel, providing maximum power in full load conditions. This reduces turbo lag and ensures maximum torque and smooth provision of power throughout the torque curve, even at low speeds. Two separate exhaust flows complement the cylinder firing sequence by eliminating cross-interference in the exhaust gas cycle. With a double overhead camshaft and variable valve timing, new cylinder liner technology reduces weight while ensuring the highest performance from the 8-cylinder engine. Cylinder deactivation reduces fuel consumption for a perfect balance between vehicle performance and efficient engine function. Transmission and gearbox. The Lamborghini Urus features an automatic 8-speed gearbox. The compact and efficient electro-hydraulically controlled planetary gearbox is tuned to provide very short low gear ratios and longer high gears. A highly efficient slip-controlled converter lockup clutch and specially developed torque converter guarantee a highly responsive engine, with an exceptionally powerful starting ratio for exciting acceleration, and high speed at low engine revs for optimal fuel consumption and emissions. Highly efficient gear braking is also assured. Lamborghini 4-wheel drive and torque vectoring, optimizing driving dynamics. The Lamborghini Urus 4-wheel drive system delivers safe, highly responsive driving dynamics on every road and surface, in all weather. A Torsen central self-locking differential provides maximum control and agility in all driving conditions, particularly off-road. Torque is split 40-60 to the independent front, rear axle as standard, with a dynamic maximum torque of 70% to the front or 87% to the rear, enhancing traction to the axle with higher ground friction. The Lamborghini Urus features active torque vectoring via rear differential, enabling propulsive power to be instantly distributed to each individual wheel for enhanced traction, depending on the driving mode, driving style and the road grip. Torque vectoring also provides additional steering control, less steering effort is required, with enhanced agility allowing higher cornering speeds and a more sporty drive. Yaw motion is controlled, avoiding understeer into corners and tire slip during acceleration. In the driving modes Strada, Terra, Off-Road, and Neve, Snow, torque vectoring reduces understeer for safe and simple driving. In Sport and Corsa torque vectoring allows the Urus to become more agile with a greater oversteer character. Interaction between the 4-wheel drive system and escape manages oversteer to enable a precise and fun drive. In Sabbia, Sand, mode, the system is calibrated to guarantee agility and precision on terrains with reduced grip such as on gravel or sand dunes, making it the ideal mode for off-road fun. Rear-wheel steering. The Lamborghini Urus adopts the rear-wheel steering introduced in the Aventador S over the whole speed range. The rear steering angle varies up to +/3.0 degrees, according to vehicle speed and driving mode selected. At low speeds the rear axle steering angle is opposite to that of the front wheels, counter-phase steering, effectively shortening the wheelbase up to 600 mm for increased agility and a reduced turning circle for increased maneuverability. At high speeds the rear axle steering angle is in the same direction as the front wheels, in-phase steering, elongating the wheelbase up to 600 mm for increased stability and ride comfort as well as optimum driving dynamics. The emotive Lamborghini sound and feel. A 360-degree approach to engine, exhaust system and chassis ensures daily usability with the reduction of unwanted mechanical noise, while maintaining the emotive Lamborghini driving experience and inimitable Lamborghini sound. Depending on the driving mode selected via the Tamburo, the V8 engine has been calibrated to vary the sound and feel of the Urus, from the quietest and most comfortable low-frequency sounds in Strada mode, to a sportier and more exciting Lamborghini sound and feedback in Corsa. A specially developed exhaust system also customizes the sound output dependent on engine speed. At high acceleration, the Urus produces a more guttural, sporty sound and chassis feedback. The Tamburo, Lamborghini driving dynamics control. The Tamburo driving mode selector on the center console controls all dynamic vehicle systems and allows the selection of driving dynamics according to surface conditions or driver's preference, via Strada, Sport and Corsa as well the additional Neve, Snow, mode. As an option, two further off-road settings are offered, Terra, Off-Road, and Sabbia, Sand. In Strada mode the height adapts according to speed to enhance comfort, while in Sport the Lamborghini Urus lowers to ensure stability and precision at all speeds. In Corsa the vehicle is even more precise and performance-oriented with roll at a minimum. In the three off-road modes, Neve, Terra and Sabbia higher ground clearance allows obstacles to be safely overcome, with anti-roll bars providing independent asymmetric movement during cornering to ensure optimal traction. The electromechanical active roll stabilization system is being used for the first time in a Lamborghini. The stabilization system ensures maximum reduction of the roll angle on bumpy roads in both a straight line and around corners through active decoupling of the stabilizer halves, while ensuring the most agile drive and responsive steering. The Urus specially tuned damping system incorporates new damper valves, continually adjusting to different driving conditions, harder when cornering and softer in a straight line. The adaptive damper concept is automatically adjusted to different driving modes through Anima, or can be fully customized by the driver via the Evo mode, choosing the required rigidity for a very comfortable ride to an extremely sporty, aggressive setting dependent on driving style and road conditions. Exterior design. The Urus is undoubtedly a Lamborghini, taking cues from the LM002 as well as the super sports cars that are fundamental to Lamborghini heritage. The Urus has outstanding proportions, adopting the 2/3 body, 1/3 window ratio of Lamborghini super sports cars. The Lamborghini Urus is a Lamborghini with luxurious space for up to 5 occupants. Its short overhangs communicate its strength, muscularity, dynamically assertive character and commanding road position. The imposing front of the Urus clearly identifies the location of the front-engined power plant within the peaked mound of the bonnet, reminiscent of the Miura and Aventador, and accented by diagonal hood lines, found for the first time on the Countach, that are such a dynamic Lamborghini characteristic. The proud, low front is underlined by the substantial front fender. The Urus is the most powerful SUV available. Large air intakes sporting the hexagonal theme are linked by a low-level front spoiler, further emphasizing the car's aerodynamic efficiency and exceptional performance. The front lights are sleek, slim and very sporty, set in a horizontal position and with LED headlights in the familiar Lamborghini Y shape. Its distinctive single-line silhouette features a dynamic coupe-style flyline, accented by the frameless doors and emphasizing the typical Lamborghini characteristic of a lower front end. The powerful character line lips upwards around the rear glass windows, dynamically connecting front and rear and emphasizing the cohesive design impression of creation from a single piece. The Y-shaped front air intakes, also a feature of the LM002, are detailed with the Italian flag. The Urus is born and made in Italy. The low roofline and position of the frameless windows allude to the seating position of driver and passengers low within the car. The sharply inclined windshield and strongly angled rear windows with glass-on-glass replacing the C-pillar, are emotive of Lamborghini models including the Huracan and accent the Urus Super Sports silhouette. The hexagonal wheel arches at both front and rear are a significant design detail from the LM002 and Countach, housing wheels from 21 inches to 23 inches, the largest in the segment. The rear of the Urus sports the complex, powerful lines typical of a Lamborghini, reinforcing the strong, planted character of the car. The roofline broadens at the base of the roof panel in the style of Lamborghini models including the Countach and Murcielago. The substantial rear shoulders support the strongly inclined rear windows, with the entire rear connected by the fender and concurrent black panel housing the air grills, Lamborghini logo and the Y-shaped taillights. The rear diffuser is inspired by Lamborghini race cars, with integrated double-round exhaust pipes. When viewed from above, the Urus' pronounced front and rear fenders are set off by the slimmer middle of the car, its curvaceous lines referencing a planted physicality redolent of Lamborghini super sports cars. The rear door lines incorporate both concave and convex lines, giving the Urus its pinched waist before dynamic expansion out to its broad, muscular rear. Aerodynamic optimization. Every surface of the Urus clearly contributes to the car's aerodynamic prowess and its Lamborghini super sports car personality. Form and function work hand in hand within the Lamborghini design. Each panel contributes to the car's overall drag coefficient. The front splitter and very large air intakes ensure optimal airflow in conjunction with the extensive covered areas of the aerodynamically efficient underbody. Aerodynamic blades feature on the outer edges of the rear window, and the floating rear wing. Integrated rear spoiler and spoiler lip reduce aerodynamic resistance. An advanced wheelhouse aerodynamic solution with NACA cooling improves and augments front brake cooling to enhance driving dynamics. Efficient aerodynamics also contribute to the Urus internal acoustics, improving ride comfort, reducing fuel consumption and emissions while a high downforce increases stability, safety and driving dynamics. Chassis and suspension. The Urus is the new benchmark for a super SUV and a true Lamborghini. It delivers best-in-class lightweight technologies and weight-to-power ratio, with innovation in design and engineering to ensure the best possible driving dynamics as well as overall efficiency. At a curb weight of less than 2,200 kilograms, Lamborghini's team of designers and R&D engineers focused on weight reduction throughout the car's chassis, with an intelligent materials mix to ensure maximum stiffness for the best possible comfort and handling as well as lower fuel consumption and CO2 emissions. The chassis is a blend of aluminum and steel, with frameless aluminum doors, torsional beams replacing the C-pillar, and cross members in aluminum contributing to the lightweight Urus, as does the chassis floor in a high-strength steel material. Seats are designed and constructed for lightweight comfort and rims are in forged aluminum. The front axle with aluminum subframe and suspension strut support includes specially designed pivot bearings and wishbone structure. A rear axle with optimized subframe features an aluminum and steel hybrid construction cell. The powertrain mount system has been devised to reduce the effect of engine movement on the chassis, removing uncomfortable chassis vibrations while still delivering a highly sporty feeling through an extremely rigid chassis, a true Lamborghini characteristic. The adaptive air suspension system enables the vehicle to be raised or lowered according to road and driving conditions, with ride height further customizable by the driver via the settings of a Urus-specific controller in the center console, the tamburo, drum, brakes and wheels. The Lamborghini Urus braking system is commensurate with its super sports car performance, ensuring high thermal resistance and accommodating frequent and heavy braking, even from high speeds and in extreme conditions such as on track or at high altitude. Carbon ceramic brakes, CCB, as standard, are the largest and most powerful available, measuring 440 by 40 mm at the front and 370 by 30 mm at the rear. With virtually no brake fade, the system optimizes pedal feel, assuring performance and safety in all conditions and environments. Wheel options range from 21 inches to 23 inches, fitted with a range of summer, winter, all-season, all-terrain and sport tires, all especially developed by Pirelli for the Lamborghini Urus and with widths varying between front and rear to enhance stability and sportive driving behavior. The Urus interior. The Urus is as much a luxury SUV as the most powerful, with a super sports car dynamism to be enjoyed by both driver and passengers. The interior's design and finish echoes that of the exterior in terms of unmistakable Lamborghini design, colorways and individuality. Inside, the Urus is as clearly a Lamborghini as it is from outside, with a sporty yet luxurious design and finish. The Lamborghini Urus embodies the Lamborghini principle that a car's design, power and dynamic capabilities means every driver should feel like a pilot. The Lamborghini Urus is technologically advanced, yet intuitively operable. The driver and passengers are all afforded a low but extremely comfortable super sports car seat position, firmly integrated within the cabin and for the driver, every cockpit control within easy reach. Oriented around the driver, the slim wide design of the dashboard, like double silver wings and connected to the climbing center console, is inspired by the LM002 as well as by current Lamborghini super sports cars. The Lamborghini hexagonal theme echoes throughout the interior, in elements such as air vents and door handles, and even in items such as the cup holders and airbag modules. A multifunction, 3-spoke steering wheel incorporates a vibration damper to enhance comfort in all driving conditions. Multifunction switches are intuitively located on the steering wheel to control the Lamborghini infotainment system, LIS, including car setup, media, telephone and navigation. A fully digital TFT display shows the Urus main information in an animated 3D representation and is customizable by the driver. Seating. Its long wheelbase of 3,003 mm and the low seating position of the occupants creates a comfortable and extremely spacious feel. The Lamborghini Urus ensures luxury and roominess for each of its occupants in seats designed specifically for the Urus Super SUV. The standard front DNA memory sport seats are fully electric, heated and 12-way adjustable. More luxurious, 18-way fully electric front seats are available as an option, including features such as ventilation and massage. The rear bench seat as standard comes with a movable and folding seat back and ISOFIX fixings. Providing an extremely comfortable 5-seat configuration, the ability to fold and move the rear seat offers maximum versatility and increased luggage capacity for daily use. The rear bench seat can be lowered to substantially extend the trunk space from 616 liters to 1.596 liters. As an option in conjunction with the fully electric front seats, a more exclusive 2-seat rear layout can be specified, providing exceptional rear passenger comfort while reflecting the Urus' sporty character. Color and trim. Luxury Italian style and craftsmanship resonate through the Lamborghini Urus. Its ergonomic cabin is replete with high-quality materials including the finest leather, Alcantara, aluminum, carbon fiber and wood. Internally the Urus is specified with a unicolor leather and trim in either Nero 8 or Grigio octans and 5 additional optional colors. Dual color, bicolor elegant and bicolor sportivo specifications with options of both leather and Alcantara are also available. Stitching options and complementary seat belt, floor mat and carpet colors allow clients to customize their Urus in a more sporty or elegant style as required. The dashboard trim is finished in piano black and brushed aluminum as standard. Optional finishes are offered in open pore wood including a combination with aluminum, and a carbon fiber alternative. An optional off-road package incorporating the Terra and Sabia driving modes, includes specific metal reinforced bumpers and additional underfloor protection for off-roading in snow, forest or even dune surfing. Lamborghini Infotainment System 3, LIS, and connectivity. The Lamborghini Urus infotainment system reflects its luxurious and daily usability, and comes with advanced connectivity features. Included as standard is an Enlist touchscreen infotainment display across 2 screens, perfectly integrated within the Urus interior above the center tamburo. The upper screen is the key interface for entertainment, managing functions such as media, navigation, telephone and car status information. The lower screen provides a keyboard and handwriting compatible screen for inputting information and controlling functions such as climate control and seat heating. The LIS 3 integrates innovative connected voice control, able to recognize natural dialogue voice commands to manage functions such as music, telephone calls or send text messages. Included as standard is a phone holder compartment with wireless charging and voice control, a personal memory profile, USB connections, Bluetooth media streaming, DVD player and a sound system. Other optional features include a TV tuner, DAB and SIM card reader, head-up display, a Lamborghini smartphone interface and a smart display for rear seat entertainment. Lamborghini Connect is also offered. The Lamborghini Smartphone Interface, LSI, allows fully integrated connection of iOS, Apple, and Android, Google, smartphones, supporting the Apple CarPlay trademark, Android Auto, 90% smartphone market coverage, and Beidou CarLife, China, as standard. A sound system featuring 8 speakers, driven by 4 channels comes as standard. A high-end Bang & Olufsen sound system with 3D sound and 1700 watt output can be specified, with 21 fully active speakers. Produced through close collaboration between Lamborghini, Fraunhofer's, and Harman, the system creates an immersive, natural 3D sound experience for all Urus occupants, front and rear. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS. The Lamborghini Urus ADAS systems provide a comprehensive level of safety, security and driving assistance on Level 2, C scale. A high beam assistant automatically fades headlights in and out of high beam mode as required. Front and rear parking sensors and cruise control are also included as standard, as is an innovative precognition system preventing or mitigating collision. Optional ADAS systems include traffic management systems, top view camera and a trailer coupling mode. The Lamborghini Urus features keyless start via the push-start button on the center console, as long as the key is present. Access to the Urus is also granted by touching sensor panels in the doors and tailgate. Personalization settings allow the car to be configured to suit different drivers and to switch easily between up to 7 different programmable profiles including seat preferences and ego driving mode styles, and even infotainment presetting. The rear tailgate is electrically operated via a switch on the driver's door, a button on the key or a manual button on the tailgate itself. An optional virtual pedal allows the tailgate to be opened by a kick movement. The tailgate opening angle can be customized by the driver. Ease Load Assist, standard on the Urus, allows the height at the rear of the Lamborghini Urus to be lowered for easy loading. Price and market delivery. The first customers will take delivery of the new Lamborghini Urus in spring 2018 at suggested retail prices as follows. Europe, €171,429, suggested retail price, taxes excluded. Italy, €168,852, suggested retail price, taxes excluded. UK, £131,500, suggested retail price, taxes excluded. USA, $200,000, suggested retail price, VAT/GST excluded. China, RMB 3,130,000.00, suggested retail price, taxes included. Japan, Yen 25,740,000.00, suggested retail price, taxes excluded.